Good morning. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I just want to share a few ideas about how we can use Facebook to make money. Like most of our Papua New Guineans, only go finish long. All marketplace, joining all marketplace na all marketing all item. Any item will a market long all market stuff, but plenty blow you mean no sabe how long go too long all this all Facebook marketplace na Salem all items. So let me just share him some example tasol long here where some you can RM voice blow me and you can see some idea out long this la. Facebook, how to sell anything on Facebook marketplace, sell clothes, sell furniture, or sell car, or sell food and many more. How does Facebook sale work? Posting item for sale on Facebook marketplace is just as easy. Goal of phone blow you fly, suppose society well operating phone na you have wasting data na. All in phone blow you nothing stop you can RM this la lilik all ideas we me like talk long and you can go through your phone and then click the marketplace icon, then the create listing button, select the type of item, then take a photo of your item. You can select more than one from your gallery and then click the add photos option to upload them. Some items you can sell is like include furniture, electronics, and clothing, books, baby clothing, home decoration, print on demand products, children toys, garden tools, sports and other equipments. Seasonal products like time block Christmas or Independence Day or Mother's Day. Number time you can kiss him or sample item where all need him lots of time now you can upload him long or Facebook marketplace. I'm all sample seasonal products made of baby supplies. Minimum baby supplies all baby carriers or like one items all babies have need him long you can post him all these items too. Now one something all cars have need him long like mat or clean him leg or steer cover or kind of something. Now all pet one supplies many more. These ways we can earn money on Facebook sale. Now some of us living in towns and cities plenty blol walk line plenty ol man meris oli money longe mol by at lo round na piney mall. Something where also need him longe mo this like kind of items where only sa painim longem you me upload him time lucky blow all by look stop now all can buy him on online now you me can make him money in that way too. So I'm tassel now. With that, if you think that these ideas are helpful for you, then please subscribe to my channel. Thank you whoever listening to this video. Bye for now.